The role of precision agriculture in integrated livestock and crop farming. Title: The role of precision agriculture in integrated livestock and crop farming. Introduction. In recent years, the farming industry has witnessed a significant transformation through the integration of livestock and crop farming. Precision agriculture has emerged as a crucial tool in optimizing this integrated system, enabling farmers to manage their operations more effectively. With the aim of maximizing productivity and minimizing environmental impact, the role of precision agriculture in integrated livestock and crop farming cannot be overstated. Understanding precision agriculture. The integration of precision agriculture techniques with integrated livestock and crop farming offers numerous benefits that have revolutionized the industry. Optimizing crop production. Precision agriculture supports integrated livestock and crop farming by providing farmers with accurate data regarding soil conditions, nutrient levels, and crop health. Sensors and drones equipped with advanced imaging technologies help monitor crop growth, detect diseases, and assess overall plant health. This valuable information allows farmers to apply fertilizers, pesticides, and irrigation precisely where they are needed, minimizing wastage and reducing costs. By adopting precision agriculture technologies, farmers can ensure that crops receive the necessary inputs precisely and avoid the detrimental effects of over-applying treatments. Managing livestock production. Integrated livestock and crop farming require efficient management of animal health, feeding, and grazing patterns. Precision agriculture assists in optimizing livestock production by enabling farmers to monitor animal health through wearable sensors, tracking systems, and monitoring technologies. These advancements provide valuable insights into the animal's well-being, enabling early disease detection and preventive measures. Moreover, precision agriculture aids in precise feeding by analyzing data on the nutrient requirements of individual animals, optimizing the amount and composition of feed given to each animal. This targeted approach reduces feed waste, saves resources, and ensures healthier livestock. Minimizing environmental footprint. With increasing concerns about the environment, precision agriculture plays a vital role in reducing the impact of integrated livestock and crop farming on natural resources. By accurately applying fertilizers, pesticides, and water only where needed, precision agriculture minimizes nutrient runoff, pollution, and soil erosion. Moreover, precision livestock management reduces the release of greenhouse gases by optimizing feed inputs and reducing waste. By minimizing the environmental footprint, integrated livestock and crop farming can contribute to a more sustainable agricultural system. Improving efficiency and profitability. Precision agriculture maximizes the efficiency and profitability of integrated livestock and crop farming operations in several ways. By closely monitoring crop and livestock conditions, farmers can detect potential issues early on, allowing for timely interventions and minimizing losses. Furthermore, the use of advanced automation and mechanization technologies reduces manual labor and operating costs. Farmers can allocate resources more precisely, optimize yields, and reduce waste, ultimately increasing profitability. Challenges and considerations. While precision agriculture offers compelling benefits for integrated livestock and crop farming, there are several challenges and considerations to acknowledge. Access to reliable internet connectivity, data privacy, and the financial investment required for implementing precision agriculture systems are some of the primary concerns. Ensuring that farmers have access to the necessary training and technical support is also crucial in enabling them to utilize these technologies effectively. Precision agriculture has emerged as a crucial tool in optimizing integrated livestock and crop farming systems. By utilizing technology and data-driven processes, precision agriculture allows farmers to make informed decisions and allocate resources more effectively. The integration of precision agriculture with integrated livestock and crop farming offers numerous benefits, revolutionizing the industry. One of the key advantages of precision agriculture is its ability to optimize crop production. Farmers can obtain accurate data on soil conditions, nutrient levels, and crop health through sensors and drones equipped with advanced imaging technologies. This information helps in the precise application of fertilizers, pesticides, and irrigation, reducing wastage and minimizing costs. By adopting precision agriculture technologies, farmers can ensure that crops receive the necessary inputs precisely, avoiding the detrimental effects of over-applying treatments. In addition to crop production, precision agriculture also plays a crucial role in managing livestock production. Wearable sensors, tracking systems, and monitoring technologies enable farmers to monitor animal health and well-being. This allows for early disease detection and preventive measures, ensuring healthier livestock. Precision agriculture also aids in precise feeding by analyzing data on the nutrient requirements of individual animals. By optimizing the amount and composition of feed given to each animal, farmers can reduce feed waste, save resources, and improve livestock health. Reducing the environmental footprint of integrated livestock and crop farming is another significant benefit of precision agriculture. Accurately applying fertilizers, pesticides, and water only where needed minimizes nutrient runoff, pollution, and soil erosion. Precision livestock management optimizes feed inputs, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. These practices contribute to a more sustainable agricultural system that is mindful of environmental concerns. Efficiency and profitability are also enhanced through the adoption of precision agriculture techniques. By closely monitoring crop and livestock conditions, farmers can detect potential issues early on and intervene proactively, minimizing losses. Advanced automation and mechanization technologies reduce manual labor and operating costs, increasing efficiency. Farmers can allocate resources more precisely, optimize yields, and reduce waste, ultimately improving profitability. However, there are challenges and considerations to acknowledge when implementing precision agriculture and integrated livestock and crop farming. Reliable internet connectivity is essential for accessing the necessary technology, and data privacy must be ensured. The financial investment required for implementing precision agriculture systems can also be a barrier for some farmers. Providing the necessary training and technical support is crucial to enable farmers to utilize these technologies effectively. Precision agriculture has revolutionized the integration of livestock and crop farming, providing numerous benefits in terms of sustainability, efficiency, and profitability. This comprehensive management approach utilizes technology and data-driven processes to optimize decision-making in agriculture. By real-time monitoring, measurement, and analysis of crop and livestock conditions, farmers see and make informed and timely decisions that maximize productivity and minimize environmental impact. One of the key advantages of precision agriculture is its ability to optimize crop production in integrated livestock and crop farming systems. Accurate data on soil conditions, nutrient levels, and crop health can be obtained through the use of sensors and drones equipped with advanced imaging technologies. This information allows farmers to apply fertilizers, pesticides, and irrigation precisely where they are needed, minimizing wastage and reducing costs. Precision agriculture ensures that crops receive the necessary inputs precisely, avoiding the detrimental effects of over-applying treatments. In addition to crop production, precision agriculture also plays a crucial role in managing livestock production. Wearable sensors, tracking systems, and monitoring technologies enable farmers to monitor animal health and well-being. Early disease detection and preventive measures can be implemented, ensuring healthier livestock. Precision agriculture also assists in precise feeding by analyzing data on the nutrient requirements of individual animals. By optimizing the amount and composition of feed given to each animal, farmers can reduce feed waste, save resources, and improve overall livestock health. Precision agriculture contributes to reducing the environmental footprint of integrated livestock and crop farming. By accurately applying fertilizers, pesticides, and water only where needed, the